Okay, this is a different version of the scale degrees lesson you may have just watched. That was a screencast. So the first thing you want to do, we're going to be in the key of G. You want to find the root, the fifth, and the octave. These are always going to be in the same place. So here's your root, here's your fifth, here's your octave. So root to octave is always going to be that same shape where you skip a string and skip a fret. So root to octave. The fifth is right below it. Those notes are also called power chord, which is kind of the basics of a lot of rock music. Right? Here's your root, your fifth, your octave. That's the same as long as you use the E string or the A string. That's always going to be the same. So root, fifth, octave. Let's move to D. So here's D. It's your fifth fret on your A string. Root, fifth, octave. Go down to C. Root, fifth, octave. To F. Root, fifth, octave. To B flat. Root, fifth, octave. Doesn't matter where you go, the root, fifth, and octave stays the same. Let's talk about the third and the sixth now. So here's your root. I recommend using your middle finger when you're trying to find the third, because then your first finger is right on the third. So if you ever hear like do, a deer, a female deer, do, re, mi, do, mi, do, mi. So 1 to 3. And then 6 is in the same position, just another string higher. 1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 3, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, octave, 1, 3, 1, 6. Now I recommend that you stop the video, watch that again, and try to play along and find where those notes are. If you're ready to go, you can move that anywhere as long as you keep the root on your E or your A string. So let's move to A. So here's your root, fifth, octave. Put your middle finger on the root, root. There's your third, root, third, root, sixth, root, octave. Let's go to C. Root, fifth, octave, root, middle finger moves to the root, third, root, sixth. Again, stop the video, practice that. Go back and rewatch it and then practice it. Now let's talk about the other remaining notes. So here's your root. We're in G, the fifth, the octave. All right, here's your 2. 1, 2. It's a whole step up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Then a half step higher is the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the fifth again. Fifth. We have our 6. We just talked about that. And the 7 is a half step below the octave. So this is where you find a major scale on the guitar. What's important is that these scale degrees and these positions don't change as long as you're on the E or the A string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, octave. Now you can move that around. Let's go to D and do it. Here's your 1. 1, 5, octave. I always recommend finding 1, 5, octave. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. It's the exact same thing. So if you know where your root is, and your fifth is, and your octave, you should be able to find root, third. Okay, here's my third. Here's my 6. 1, 3, 1, 1, 5, octave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up a half step to the octave.